door. I can know all things on earth without looking out of my window. I can know the ways of heaven. The farther one travels, the less one knows. The less one